In this video, we are going to be looking at how to develop ultimate Laravel booking system. So look at it. Let's look at it. Okay, as you can see. Next, let's look at the demo, how it's going to look like after the development. Okay, so see this is how it's going to look like. This is how it's going to look like. Now, travel, get the word together. So let me go back. Use the affiliate link in the description to buy your script. After purchasing the script, I go straight to my cPanel. For my cPanel, I go to my file manager. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. For my file manager, I go to the subdomain I will be using for this testing purposes. Which is this. I've already uploaded my script. Next, let me start it. And I click on close. So let me copy my subdomain. Use the IAM link in the description to IAM to help you install your script. So I open a new tab, paste it there, enter. Next, I click on check permission. Okay, I will go to public uploads. Then I change the permission to 775. Public, here is it. Uploads, here is it. Changing the permission to 775. Save. Let me go back there to see the next one. So with framework and logs, up one level. Storage, here is it. Framework and changing it to 775. Save. Logs to 775. Save. Up one level. The next one should be bootstrap cache. Bootstrap cache. Save. Let me go back there to confirm. All is well. Yes. Then now I refresh. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Next, I click on configure environment. Next, I click my site name next to MyTravel. When I click on set up database, here I'm going to set up my database. Let me go back to my cPanel. From my cPanel, I go to my databases, manage my databases. So let me name my database as MyTravel database. Copying it. I click on create database. So I've successfully created the database. Next, I click on go back. After creating my database, let me scroll down to create the user. Okay, let me name it as this. And I click on create database, create user. I've successfully created the user. Next, I click on go back again. After creating my user, let me scroll down to add the user to the database. And make sure I select the one I just created. Here is it. Here is it. Add. Use the I am link in the description to I am to help me install your script, and click on Add Privileges, make changes. I successfully added the user to the database. Let me copy my username, go back to my site, I paste the database name of the bit later, username, okay, there is my database name. Okay, that's my admin email. Next, I click on install. So let me just close this. Click here to installation finished. Click here to exit. Now I successfully installed my script. Look at it. You see it looks like the previous one that I showed you earlier. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. Thank you.